Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your TikTok Shop product feed for US buyers step by step clearly. To verify your TikTok Shop product feed for US buyers, start by logging into your TikTok Seller Center account. Navigate to the product feed section in the dashboard. Once there, locate the option for Add New Feed or Upload Feed. Choose the appropriate feed file type, such as CSV or XML, based on TikTok's specifications. Next, click on Upload to submit your product feed file. After uploading, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that your feed is processing. Monitor the processing status closely, as it may take a few minutes to complete. Once processing is finished, check for any error messages or alerts in the feed status section. If errors are present, click on the error messages to understand why the feed failed. Make the necessary corrections to your product details based on the feedback provided. After making adjustments, re-upload your corrected feed file. Wait for the new file to process again, and monitor the status once more. Once the status shows approved, your product feed is verified for US buyers. To confirm that your products are displaying correctly, visit your TikTok Shop page. Check for accurate product information, pricing, and availability. If everything appears correct, your feed verification is successfully completed. Keep your feed updated regularly to ensure the best customer experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.